Today's cue cards is describe a time when you used your smartphone to do something important. So before starting, please like the video and subscribe the channel. So this is the sample answer. There is no denying that the mobile phone has become part and parcel of everyone's life. In fact, life becomes more comfortable and convenient using a smartphone, from making online payments, for entertainment to commercial purposes. Although I used my mobile phone for various purposes on a routine basis, here I would like to share one incident with you when I used my cell phone, and it was worth it. I vividly remember 1 year ago when I traveled to Manali in December. My smartphone helped me a lot at that time and saved my money and time. Actually, what happened? I forgot to pre-book accommodation there because I thought I would do it after reaching my destination. But unfortunately, because of the peak season for tourists, it was pretty hard to find a place to stay for a reasonable price. At that time, I used my smartphone and booked my room through the OYO app with exciting offers. I must say the mobile phone was extremely useful during my entire trip as I used it as a navigation tool to find more exciting places. Apart from that, I clicked so many photos and made a lot of videos for my future memories. Moreover, I made an online payment to different vendors using the Google Pay app on my phone. Last but not least, I uploaded all my photos, videos, and journey memories on Google Drive. If I am talking about the experience, my overall experience was unique and worth it. My smartphone made my entire trip easy and convenient. To be honest, I felt blessed with this technological gadget because, with its help, I saved a lot of money on food, accommodation, and transportation. In short, the smartphone acts as an assistant for me, and this was a time when I used my smartphone to do something significant and worth it. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties then ask your doubts in comments section.